Hi guys, let's start with our lesson today. Let's start with the calendar. So today is Wednesday, the 29th, a 2 and a 9 of April 2020. The sun's trying to peek out there, so I can take my jacket off just now. And we're in autumn. Hi guys, yesterday we spoke about planets. Today I want to show you some of our planets. And we have to start with our solar system because that's where all the planets are. This is a star. Do you know what it's called? It's called the sun. It's very, very, very hot. And it's the biggest object in the solar system. And all the planets travel around the sun. Good. Now, who knows the first planet? The first planet next to the sun is Mercury. Do you know that Mercury isn't the hottest planet? Can you go find out why? It's so close to the sun, but it's not that hot. Find out why and then you can tell me. And you know that it has a lot of craters and it has no moons. The second planet is Venus. The second planet is the hottest and brightest planet, and it spins in the opposite direction and spins slowly once every 243 Earth days. And it also doesn't have any moons. Who knows our special planet? It's number 3. It's the third planet. It's Earth. And Earth sustains all life. This planet has water and air, and we live on it. Did you know that? Do you know that we have one moon, and it takes Earth 365 days to go around the sun? So, who knows the fourth planet? It's a very, very red planet. Yes, it's Mars. It is colder than Earth. It has polar caps and seasons and clouds and fog. Do you think humans can live on it? They can't. So we can't go live there actually. And you know what? The water freezes on Mars too. Do you know how many moons Mars has? It has 2 moons. And you know it takes 1,9 years to go around the sun. Who knows the next one? This is the 5th planet. It's a giant. Come on, it's called Jupiter. Jupiter has stormy storms on them. Big storms. And it's mostly made up of gas. It has a big red spot. And guess what? You know how many Earths, our Earth, you know how many of them can fit into Jupiter? 1,000. Did you know that? And did you know how many moons it has? It has 67 moons. And it takes 11,9 years to travel around the sun. Interesting, hey? Now, who knows the 6th planet? It's very beautiful. Yes, it's Saturn, and it has so many rings. And it's mostly made up of, yes, gas. And it's the furthest planet that can be seen with a telescope. And it has 62 moons. And it travels, let's see, 29,5 years to go around the sun. Uranus is the 7th planet. It's the coldest planet. It's mostly made up of gases. And Uranus spins on its side. And it has 27 moons. It takes 84 years to go around the sun. And Neptune. Neptune is the 8th planet. It's a windy planet. It's the 4th largest planet of our solar system. It has a big blue planet made mostly of gas. It is a big blue planet made mostly of gas. It has 13 moons and it takes 164,8 years to go around the sun. Now remember I said to you the other day that we had 9 planets. So who knows this one? This is Pluto. But Pluto no longer is a planet. He is a dwarf planet. And this happened in 2006 when they decided that he no longer belongs in our solar system. So they kicked him out to the Kuiper Belt. And what happened in 2015 in July, a spacecraft called the New Horizon, which was launched in 2006, was scheduled to fly by Pluto on the way to the Kuiper Belt. Do you know that Pluto actually has 5 moons? A dwarf planet having 5 moons? Wow. And it will take 246 years for Pluto to go right around our sun. So I'm putting with our planets. Now I'm going to match them quickly for us. Okay, let's try this out. Okay, let's see. Good. So we matched. I'm going to match the labels. So this is for our reading kids. Kids that are learning to read, discriminate between all the different letters and sounds. Good. So we today have done our planets. Well done.